Dear friends, you'll see we'll discuss about a prism. This is our prism. With the help of prism, we can show the refraction of light. In this prism, you'll see that how many surfaces is there. In this prism, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 surfaces, right? And how many vertices is there? Vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vertices in this prism. And how many edges there? Edge is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 edges in this prism. Not only that, you can see the angle of prism also. This is the angle of prism. Since all the sides of the triangle is same, therefore the angle of prism is 60 degree. In this case, the angle of prism is 60 degree. With the help of this prism, we can show the refraction of light. Not only that, you can say we can find out the various colors of rainbow, that is behavior. That is, if a white light is passed through this prism, here if you put a screen, you will find in the screen there are 7 colors, that is behavior: violet, indigo, green, blue, yellow, orange and red, that is behavior, right? In this, with the help of this prism, we can find the refraction of light. Here see there is another instrument or apparatus, what we call this as glass slab. With the help of glass slab, we can find the refraction of light, right? Refraction of light. That is, here if we take this glass, we pass a light in this way that from ear to glass, it will bend towards the normal. And again here, from glass to ear, it will again bends away from the normal. And you see there is a refraction or bending of light. And bending of light, in this case, between two medium is known as a refraction of light. And you can find the refractive index of glass with the help of this experiment, right? We can find the refractive index of this glass with the help of refraction of light. And here you see, this is our prism. Here the angle of prism is 60 degree. Therefore, these apparatus are used in various optical instruments or optical experiments. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.